Alright, so what you're about to see is me, Hamish and Adam going on our first ride together, all with GoPros. For some reason we couldn't get the audio off my phone. I don't know why. So we didn't have audio for the ride. But on a side note, if you're gonna carry your cell phone on a motorbike ride, make sure you put it in a pocket that zips up. That's my one tip for you guys today, because I didn't do that, and yeah, you'll see what happens.
Okay, yeah, right, we'll go 7 ton. I thought it was like an hour and a half away.
Only when you ride a CBR 500 like yours.
He's harnessed into his bike to be safe.
Oh, that crackle! I missed it. I think my bike's faster than Hamish's now. Because it's louder.
Back to the freeway.
This is the freeway, bro. Go, go,
Nah,
go, 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 go! Oh, you fucking bitches! Where's your I
almost went to the back of Hamish.
I'm
We'll push your fat ass out of the way, bro.
Give it some back.
Behind that train, Shay had his phone in his pocket for some reason, not inside of his fucking jacket, and it slid right out of his pocket and across the floor. But I missed the fucking turn, so I'm gonna have to go down to the next one, do a U-turn and come back up, but they should be parked somewhere behind that train there.
I've just lost my phone on the freeway and we think it's broken. We can't call it.
This is where he lost his phone. It like literally dropped here and slid. I think that's it. Oh my god, I found his phone. Oh my god, that's his phone! Oh my god, I'm not even going to attempt to grab that, that's fucked. Oh my god. Shay, that's why you keep your phone inside your jacket pocket and not your fucking normal pocket. Bring in Hamish. I can't even attempt to grab that, there's way too many cars. Oh, that's them there. That's them. They took. Oh, so I took the right exit. I've probably been ran over about 5 times. I'm gonna count how many times he gets run over right now. Oh, so he just got run over again. No, I missed it. That's Che and Hamish pulling over. Oh, what the? Oh my god. That's not the phone, hey. Hamish! Hamish! He looks so mad. Oh. Oh, he looks angry as fuck. You better Hamish grab it though. He got it.
Holy fuck!
I got it.
Wait, put that in the bag.
They realise I can't hear what that 551 you follow us. Okay. What a funny day. And they've left me again because Hamish is probably doing 140 already. And Shay's going to go back. So, Shay, give me a little interview. I got all that on video.
That should open to my cards.
Oh, I seen your cards. I seen things blowing, but I thought they were...
Boston credit card.
Wait, that'll probably still be on the freeway.
Yeah.
We're not going back.
I'm not going back to get some cars.
Yeah, just gotta cancel it. Let's have a look at the actual phone.
Surprised it didn't explode.
Oh my god!
SIM card gone. Oh!
Hey, we got the SIM card. There you go.
Oh wait, this is the Samsung. Why didn't it blow up?
Can I borrow your phone to call the bank?
There you go.
Cheers, mate. Me and Hamish have comms now, but we don't have... Oh, I lost the recording. We don't have any of our banter.
Now we're gonna go to Freo. Gonna go get munchies. I'm gonna take a coastal home because of Chasen's accident. We can't go to surface time anymore.